Hey loves, it's me Jessica, also known as Mrs. Jezzy, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and welcome if you are new. Happy Sunday everyone. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video I am keeping it very chill, very slow paced. I'm going to be taking down my summer decor and start preparing for the fall. I will not be doing a deep clean of the kitchen. As you know, I recently had a head injury and I was told not to do anything for at least 5 to 7 days. So I am just going to take down the decor and dust and wipe down a few of the areas, and I'm hoping that this week I will get the okay to just go ahead and go back to doing what I usually do. The staples will be out this week, so I'm excited about that. I definitely need to wipe down the refrigerator. One of the workers came out. They were trying to repair it but realized they needed to order some parts, so I'm hoping that will be repaired this week. So I'm hoping for a good week. But if you are looking for some quick motivation, you're in the right place. Grab your cup of coffee, your cup of tea, your snack. Let's take down the summer decor and semi-prep for the fall decor. Thank you for being here. Okay, Les, before we start today's video, I quickly wanted to share these outdoor lights that I received from a company named Lumary, and I am so excited to share these with you guys. They are outdoor lights, hardscaping, which means that you would want to screw them into some type of rock, concrete. They are outdoor. They have many different colors, and I love them so much. So this is the actual light, and as you can see, it has that metal plate. Preferably these would be installed when you are building a retaining wall or something like that. As you know, I already have a retaining wall on the pool, and then we have like the concrete walls on the side of the pool, and that's where we are planning on putting these. It did take me a while to get these out because of course my husband he's super busy, and he was not able to get all the electrical work done for me because this is electrical. You will need to hardwire these, but I was showing you the light. It comes with the remote. There is this little piece right here. I believe it's a gateway. You would need to connect that. I actually have it connected outside. It's a gateway that has like the Bluetooth in it, and I needed that connected outside for me to be able to control my lighting with my phone. There is an app that you will download, the Lumary app. You will download that, and I believe that this is what's going to assist that. I will show you how I changed the colors of the lighting with my phone, but I wanted to show you right now everything that comes in this box. It comes with all the tools that you need to put it together. Well, all of the hardware to put it together. So it has, like, I call these the butterfly clips. It has these butterfly clips, the screws of course, and then when you are doing the hardwire, you will need this next piece. That's where you will tighten up the wire when you connect the positive and the negative, or as I could tell the difference, one wire had wording on it and the other one did not, but one is positive and one is negative. So that's everything that came in the box. Here you will see that my husband is going to start putting this on the wall around the pool. Well, it's actually the concrete wall around the pool. We didn't have any lighting going down on the sides, so he thought that this would be the best place to put these lights. I did receive 2 boxes, but in this portion of the video, you are only going to see 1 box installed because we have been having some rain, and then he needs to hardwire all of that for me. He makes it seem so easy, but you have to be very careful again because it's hardwiring. I also want to quickly mention that you will have to purchase a transformer, a low volt transformer, and I'm going to show you that here in a bit. I have it connected to the pool monitor, I guess that's what it is. I have it connected there because it does need to be outside. And what that transformer reminds me of is, you know, what we buy for our Christmas lights, it has the timer on it. That's exactly what this is. So it has the on and the off, and then it has the automatic, which when the sun rises, they turn off, and then when the sun goes down, they turn on. And then it has 2-hour, 4-hour, 6-hour, all the way up to 10-hour, I believe. So you will need a transformer. Very inexpensive. I believe that one was about $25, $30. I did purchase 2 because we are going to put lighting in the front yard, but that will be in another video. But here is one side of the pool. Right now I have it on the basic light feature, the white light feature. It gives so much lighting, and you can move them up and down if needed. For the sake of the video, I have it up so you can see all of the lighting. You are able to change it to so many different colors. I mean, so many different colors. And my favorite feature of these lights, and I kid you not, is that you can set from your phone for the lights to flash with music. And I put on one of my favorite bands, and I was just so amazed how these lights, it was like they were dancing. It is so cool. I love it. I believe that's what's going on right now at this very moment in the video. But yes, these lights are so cool. I like them so much. You can do so many colors, from reds, purples, greens, blues, yellows. There's even brown colors. It's amazing. Oh, here it is, the lighting whenever the music is on. But I also have pool lights that are separate. It has nothing to do with these hardwire lights, but I love that I can have the pool lights the same color as the lights all around the perimeter of the pool area, the concrete. I really love these. Again, thank you, Lumary, for sending these lights out to me. My family really enjoys them. We're gonna have a cheer party soon, and I know that the girls are going to love these, and I am super excited to put some of these out in the front yard for Christmas music or Halloween music. Super excited about that, and I will definitely share that with you all. Again, Lumary, thank you so much for sending these out. I appreciate it. So I feel like today was a good day to wake up and start taking down all the summer decor, because the weather is giving cozy fall vibes. I am so ready for the fall. The sound of the rain is so beautiful. I'm so excited for it. I finally got my chair in for my desk, so that little makeover is coming really soon. But let's go on ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with the fireplace mantle. That's really the only area that I had decorated in the living room. I am going to take down all of the summer decor, and I'm going to give it a good dust and a good wipe down, and then we will head on into the kitchen. So we are moving on into the kitchen. As you've seen in the intro, the kitchen is not really dirty. I think the island needs a really good wipe down, and the coffee area, but I am going to start off by taking all of the decor down in each area, and then I'll do a wipe down of it. I did not realize that the tote that I usually have my summer decor in, I ended up using it for the spring decor, so I need to get another tote for that. So for right now, I'm just gonna leave that on the breakfast table, and then hopefully whenever it stops raining, I can run to Target because it's the closest to buy, you know, just a $8 or $9 tote, because I only need one to go ahead and put that decor in. So I wanted to share these deals that I found. First is from the Dollar Tree. It's this descaling treatment for the Keurig. I am so glad that I found that. They're usually about $8. I found the Starbucks instant coffee at my local grocery store, Kroger, for $3.15. When we were doing school shopping, we went into Starbucks, and that same packet was like $12.99, which is crazy to me. The only difference was that mine has 8 packets and the one at Starbucks had 10 or 12. But either way, even if it was 12, 4 more, and it was that much, that's a lot of money for some coffee. So I took advantage of those, especially with football season coming up for cheer. I can, you know, just go get a cup of hot water from the concession stand and have me a nice warm cup of coffee. But I am going to quickly clean the coffee area. It does need a better wipe down, like the backsplash and cleaning under the cabinets, but for right now I kind of don't want to be bending over too much under the cabinets. I'm afraid I will hit my head, so I am going to leave it like that and just wipe down all the areas that need to be wiped down. Well, the countertop. Okay, loves, we are getting close to the end of the video. If you are still here, please drop a lemon or a blue heart emoji to let me know that you watched the video all the way through. And I chose those emojis because I am finally done with summer. I am so ready for fall. I am excited for the pumpkin spice everything. All I have to do now is wipe down the refrigerator, and then I am going to call it a day. It is time to relax and maybe get the editing done on this video. But I just wanted to quickly tell you thank you so much for supporting me for the past week. I know that I wasn't providing a lot of motivational content, but I was doing the best that I could under the circumstances, and I appreciate the support that you guys always give. And thank you for supporting my sponsorship content. I know that I have 2 back-to-back, but these were due before I had the head injury, and I was kind of behind on it, and I had to just get them out of the way, because one thing now with high blood pressure was that I did not want to be stressing over anything, especially a sponsored YouTube video. So I just wanted to hurry up and get that out, and I decided that the only way that I would be able to do that is if I still got up and did what I could, not everything I could, just what I could. So thank you for rocking with me this whole time. I appreciate it. To all of my oldies but goodies, you already know, thank you so much for coming back and watching another video. I love to see your names pop up. It just makes my heart so happy that a lot of you have been here since day one, since that first summer kitchen clean with me. It just amazes me. To all of my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much for joining my YouTube family. I am so grateful to have each and every one of you here. And of course, thank you to the ones who watch and have yet to subscribe. I appreciate you as well, because you are taking the time out of your day to watch my video. And again, your time is something that I will never ever be able to replace. I hope that you all have a great week, and I will definitely see you in the next one. XOXO. Love, Jessie.